First of all, I would like to thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and watching this video. So thank you so much. I hope you liked the video and also learned something new by the end of this video. Now tell me, have you been learning English for a long time but still struggle to speak it? You feel like you understand everything in English, but when it comes to speaking, you fall short of words. You don't know what to say, how to say. And if that is the case with you, let me tell you, you are not alone. There are many people who face the same problem. In fact, I also used to be very nervous while speaking in English, and I still sometimes feel really nervous. Don't believe me? Well, it is true. You have to believe me. And if you're somebody who is nervous and hesitant when it comes to speaking in English, then this is the video for you. And I hope you watch this video up to the very end. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel Let's Chat and Learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. So what is nervousness? Why do you think we feel nervous? I guess because we feel people are watching us, we are being noticed and judged all the time by the people around us. Our every move is being watched. There are hidden eyes chasing us throughout the day, and we just can't escape those hidden eyes. Alright, enough of the drama. Let me tell you, I understand you. I really understand that you get scared or become extra conscious the moment someone asks you to speak something in English. You fear that you might speak something wrong and then people will make fun of you, they will laugh at you. I know that, I really know that, because I have also been through the same feeling. People laughed at me, I was also made fun of because I couldn't say a single word in English back then. You have to believe me. And let me tell you one thing, that this is going to be an honest video. Although I generally don't like to talk about myself because I'm an introvert kind of person, but I think it is important because I feel like the connection between me and my viewers is kind of missing. So I want to build that connection. So I think if you are honest, then it is very easy to build that connection. So today I will be telling you about the things that inspired me, the things that let me down, or the things that made me the person that I am today. One such incident that hit me hard, and if I recall it now, so it was the time when I changed my school after 6th standard, and it was the first day of my school, and I was just trying to get over the shock of the change of place, and all of a sudden this teacher of mine asked me to stand up and tell me something about yourself. And all of a sudden I felt like my mind went blank. I could see people staring at me and I couldn't speak a single word in English, and tears were rolling down my cheeks. I could hear people giggling around me, but I couldn't say a single word. And you know why I couldn't say a single word? Because of the same fear that what if I say something wrong in English? Then people will make fun of me, they will laugh at me. And you know what? This is the problem with all of us. With all of us. We think so much. We are so busy in estimating what will happen in the future that we stop living in the present. And we forget the simple fact that mistakes are the part of life, and you cannot be good at anything until you make mistakes and learn from them. And let me tell you, it took me a long time. It took me a long time to understand this simple fact. But still, I won't say that now I have all the confidence in the world. I'm very confident, I can speak English fluently. No, that's not the case. I also have my fears. I also hesitate and become extra conscious when it comes to speak in English in front of a bunch of people. I also fumble and sometimes don't find right words to speak. And I also make a lot of mistakes, but I want to tell you, it is okay. It is completely okay until and unless you are ready to learn from your mistakes and are committed to rectify them or correct them. Yes, and that is why I don't want you to waste your time in thinking what others are thinking about you, because it is useless. Let them do it. Now tell me one thing. Have you ever seen any weird guy or girl roaming around in the middle of the road doing some crazy stuff? You look at them and you think, what a foolish person. And that's it. You go back home, drink a glass of water, and you completely forget about them. You don't think about them at all once you are busy in your work. In the same way, nobody has actually time to think about your mistakes. It is only you who is continuously thinking and thinking the same thing over and over again. Like, what if I say something wrong? What if I speak wrong English? People will make fun of me, and on the basis of that, they will judge me, and maybe in the future, I'll never ever be able to face them. Stop it. You don't need to think all that, right? You don't need to be so hard on yourself. Everybody does mistakes, and it is very normal. See, even I fumble, even I take pauses, even I make mistakes. That is all very normal, and you need to keep this thing in your mind that whatever you are, whoever you are very good. You are unique. At least you are trying to be better. You are trying to improve yourself. Most people don't even try, they just complain. So we have to accept this fact that now English has become a very important part of our lives. Learning English can create so many opportunities for you, isn't it? So we have no other option. So that is why you should start speaking in English right now. It doesn't matter if you speak wrong English or you speak broken English, or maybe you take a lot of pauses while speaking in English. It shouldn't bother you at all, right? Nobody is going to judge you. In fact, people who are your real friends, people who believe in you, or people who are intelligent enough to understand you, they will always appreciate you, they will always support you, and they are always going to encourage you, right? So be confident like this. Do you see the confidence on my face? You have to look confident. Even though you are a bit scared or feeling nervous, you don't have to show that. You have to look confident. You know, we humans, we have this ability that we can hide our feelings and look confident. So you also have to practice this thing, and gradually you will gain confidence and you will look confident while speaking in English. Right now, I know you must be thinking, and what about those people and friends who are always looking for that one opportunity to make fun of you and never miss a chance to put you down? So my advice would be to just stay away from those people, those so-called friends of yours. They are not your real friend, because an actual friend always helps you and encourages you. And if they are putting you down instead, then I'm sorry, they are not your true friends, right? So you should try to stay away from them as soon as you can, sorry, because they are just being a barrier in your way of success. That's it, and that's it. This brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked this video and this video had been a little help for you. And let me tell you, after this I will be making another video about ways to tackle nervousness the way I did. So I guess it will help you get rid of your nervousness. And thank you so much, and I hope this video had been a little help for you and you learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching me, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and start speaking in English. Bye.